And to take you through the quiz, I, Rajni Yadav, along with Keshav Dhara from class 12th Biology, will be the quiz masters for the day, or rather for the program. Well, the thing I enjoy most about a quiz ball is that it is both a team and an individual competition. Even though you compete as a team, a whole game can change based on the knowledge of one person. I don't believe in stereotype way of quizzing because a quiz is something meant to be fun and where your brain cells are tested over a variety of things. So before we commence, I am going to introduce the name of final 4 teams which are participating today. And let me tell you, these 4 teams are selected out of total 8 teams which were selected on the basis of a written test performed on 18th of February. And once I announce the name of the team, audience needs to cheer them up. So let me have the privilege to introduce the teams participating today. So please welcome our first team with a big round of applause, and its team Arya. And one more thing I want to tell you, as this is a science quiz, so the names of the teams are based on renowned scientists which we all know. That is why the team is named as Arya, and the members are Raman, Pooja, Nistha and Lokesh. Our next team is Team Mary Curie. Please have a big round of applause. The members are Tamanna, Anushka, Sunaina and Madhubala. Our next team is Team Lavoisier. Priyanka, Bhavna, Rashmi and Pariti. Last not the least is Team Nikola Tesla. And the members are Varun, Ankush, Prerna and Kashish. Now we have got all the team names, so let us brief them about the general quiz rule. Can we have the rules? There will be 7 rounds in all. Each round will be explained as it begins. The contestants must consult each other before giving out the answers. Each question should be answered in the time allotted, for which team gets 10 points. And this is the most important point regarding the audience. The audience is expected to maintain silence. You are requested not to answer aloud, or else the house to which the member of audience belongs will get their points reduced. And don't worry, we have separate questions for you also, guys. Okay? So you have to maintain silence and you will be in proper discipline. Okay? So we are going to start our first round of the quiz, which is General Science round. And the rules are like this. Yes, participants, you will be given 1 minute to answer the question. If right answer is provided by you, you will get 10 points. If you don't know the answer or you are not able to answer within 1 minute, the question will be passed on to the next team. And if that team replied correctly, the team will get bonus point 5 and there will be no negative marking. Okay? Then let's start with first round of the quiz with big round of applause. It's general science round. Are you ready to witness the science quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Louder?
Yes, ma'am.
More louder?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. So let's start with the first question of this round, and the question for team Arya is: name the gas used in manufacturing of vanaspati ghee from vegetable oil.
Hydrogen.
Is the right answer. That's for team Arya. Next question for team Marie Curie, who gave theory of relativity.
Albert Einstein.
Well done. Next question is for team Lavoisier. Find the value of 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. 4. Well done. Very good. Next question is for team Nikola Tesla. Name the causative agent of peptic ulcer. Yes, this is the right answer. Again, the question for team Arya, in which quadrant the point -3 -2 lies?
Third quadrant.
Is the right answer. Next question for team Marie Curie is: which acid is present in sour milk?
Lactic acid.
Well done. Next question is for the third team, Team Lavoisier. Name the force act during action of churning of milk.
Come on, team, hurry up, your time is running.
1 minute is there.
Yes. You have 1 minute to answer.
60 seconds.
Yes.
If you are having any doubt, you can go for it. There is no negative mark.
You can pass the question. Well done. It's the right
Answer centrifugal force.
This is the right answer. Centrifugal force or viscous. Next question is for the team Nikola Tesla. What is the pH value of trypsin? Yes, team Nikola Tesla. Value for trypsin. You can tell the range of trypsin, not the exact pH.
Approximate answer is SFT.
No. It is the wrong answer. Right answer is 7.5 to 8.5. Don't worry, this is the first round. We have more rounds.
Question will not be passed.
Sir, if wrong answer, then question will not be passed. If not able to tell the right answer, then question will be passed. So this is all about first round of the quiz, which is general round. But we have one question for the audience also, and audience need to raise the hand up if you know the answer. Okay?
This is for you.
So the question for the audience is antiparticle of not for teachers. Antiparticle of electron is dash. Anyone from the audience?
Or the teams, only the audience.
Yes?
Proton. Wrong answer.
Sorry. Anyone else? Sir?
Can I answer?
No, sir. Yes, participant, you can also try, but you will not get any point for this. Anyone from the participants? Okay, the right answer is
Right answer is positron.
yes. Well done.
सबके लिए था।
We have a small gift for you. So the scores for this round are Team Arya 20 points, Team Marie Curie 20 points, Team Lavoisier 20 and Team Nikola Tesla 10 points. Let's move to the another round of science quiz, which is maths round. And the rules are same. 1 minute to answer. Okay. First question for Team Aryabhat is: if the root of the equation 3x square minus kx is minus 2 is equal to 0 is 2, then what is the value of k?
Zero.
No, is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 5. Next question for the team Marie Curie. If p plus 2, 4p minus 6 and 3p minus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, find the value of p. Well done. Next question is for Team Lavoisier. In series 1, 3, 5, 11, 21, what is the next term? Yes, Team Lavoisier. Arya, time is going on. No discussion with the other team. We need to pass on the question to the next team. It's Team Nikola Tesla. Yes, Nikola Tesla team. In series 1, 3, 5, 11 and 21, what is the next term?
Audience.
This is a bonus question for you.
31.
Repeat. No, it's a wrong answer. Yes, the question passes on to the team Aryabhat. Yes. You can pass the question to next team. Wait or
23.
no. The question passes on to the next team. Yes, Team Marie Curie. prize and it is the wrong answer. I told you you need to raise your hands up. It's not like hum bataye. What is this? Just raise your hand. Yes, Ankit?
35.
No. Yes. 43. 43. 3 is the right answer. Yes, we have a small gift for Muskan. 43 is the right answer. आपको भी एक पेन मिल जाएगा कोई बात नहीं. One more pen for our brilliant student or the audience. So the next question is for team Nikola Tesla because that was a bonus question. It's your turn. What is the formula to
Then, if somebody wants the explanation of 43, Mr. Anil can explain.
its audience are requested to maintain the discipline, please. The question for team Nikola Tesla. What is the formula to length into breadth plus breadth into height and length into height used to find out? Well done is the right answer. Plus 10 for next question is for team Arya. What are the zeros of polynomial px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6?
2 and minus 3.
2 and okay, acceptable. 2 or 3 is the right answer. Plus 10 for team Arya. Please have a big round of applause. Next question for team Mary Curie is what is the remainder when x the power 4, x the power 3 plus x raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1? 2. Very good. Well done. Plus 10 for team Mary Curie. Next question for team Lavoisier. What is the distance between the points 5, 4 and 1, 1? Is the right answer. Plus 10 for team Lavoisier. Next is team Nikola Tesla. The question for you is what is the value of cosec 45 degree and secant 45 degree? Yes, is the right answer. 2 under root 2 plus 10 for Nikola Tesla. This is all about maths round and now is the turn for our lovely audience. Question for the audience is total surface area of a sphere with radius r is dash. Just raise your hands. Yes, Anmol?
4 pi r square.
Very good. Small gift for Anmol. The scores for this round are like this. Team Arya 10 points. Team Mary Curie 20 points. Team Lavoisier 10 points. Team Nikola Tesla 20 points. Now we are moving to the third round of the quiz, which is chemistry round.
So teams, the rules are same. 1 minute दिया जाएगा आपको हर क्वेश्चन के लिए. Plus 10 for every right answer and there is no negative marking. Please get ready for your chemistry round. And my first question is from team Arya and your question is Which gas is known as tear gas?
NO2.
Let's check whether it is right or wrong.
Oh, it's a wrong
It's a
answer.
wrong one. So the right answer is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is the gas which is used in tear gas. So my next question is from Team Marie Curie. Which type of bond is present between hydrogens in hydrogen atom?
Covalent bond.
Wrong answer.
The correct answer is
Sigma
bond.
My next direct question is from Team Lavoisier, and the question is, what is the composition of gunpowder?
Yes, Team Lavoisier.
You have to tell all the elements. You cannot miss any one of it.
What is the composition of gunpowder? You have to tell all the elements. Not only one. It's a mixture. You can pass the question.
Or you can tell it also. There is no negative mark. Sorry, your time is over. So the question is passed to Team Nikola Tesla. Question is saying, what is the composition of gunpowder? So the question is passed to Team Arya. Now it's your turn.
Yes.
Gunpowder की composition क्या होगी? So question is passed again to Team Marie Curie. It's your turn.
Hydrogen and helium.
Gunpowder gas कहाँ से मिली?
It's a powdered mixture of some elements. You have to tell those elements. Okay? Okay, then we need to pass on the question to audience.
Yes.
Sulfur carbon potassium nitrate.
Well done, very good. Is the right answer. So the next question is for the team Tesla, because that was a bonus question for you, and the original question for you is
What gas goes Uranus blue-green in color? Uranus planet का blue-green color किस गैस की वजह से है? It is the last light planet of our solar system. Blue-green color.
HCl gas.
No, it's wrong one.
okay. We need to pass on the question. That's okay. This is a special question. We are passing this question to the next team, Team Arya. Otherwise, wrong answer will not be passed, but only this question.
At least try. Negative marking.
Come on, Arya.
Nitrogen.
Wrong answer.
Okay. Yes, Team Marie Curie.
Sulfur dioxide.
This is also wrong.
Yes, Team Lavoisier. Okay, now is the turn for audience. Yes, anyone from the audience? Yes? Methane. Very good, well done. Methane is the right answer.
Wrong answer. And the right answer is Sommerfeld.
This is the right answer. Sommerfeld is the right answer.
Team Marie Curie, your question is, what is the energy of first orbit the hydrogen atom?
Minus 13.6 electron volt.
Correct answer. And next question is for team Lavoisier. Which point effect lowers the density of the crystal?
Which point defect lowers the density of a crystal? You just have to tell the name of that effect. No. Wrong answer. The right answer is
Short field effect.
short wave effect.
And my next question is from team Nikola Tesla. Bituminous is a common type of flash. इसका एक कॉमन टाइप है।
No, it's a wrong answer. The right answer is
Gold.
coal. Don't worry. So it's all about chemistry round, but we have one question for the audience also, which is
Which acid is present in maximum amount in acid rain?
yes, anyone from the audience side? Only one. No. Anyone else?
Sulfur dioxide.
Well done. Sulfur dioxide is the right answer. Sulfuric acid. गैस बोला कोई बात नहीं सर कोई बात Scores for this round are Team Arya 0, Team Marie Curie 10, Team Lavoisier 0, Team Nikola Tesla 0. So let's begin next round of the quiz, which is physics round. First question is for Team Arya. On which principle paint gun depends upon? Just name the principle. Yes, Arya, time is going on. You can pass the question.
Other teams, please be ready. You can be first.
Okay, so accordingly, we need to pass the question to Team Marie Curie. Yes, team?
Third love.
No, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is Bernoulli's principle. Next question for Team Marie Curie is which rays have maximum ionizing power? Name the rays having maximum ionizing power.
Gamma rays.
Gamma rays is the wrong answer. The right answer is
Alpha is
alpha rays. 0 for Marie Curie. Display the marks side by side. Third question for Team Lavoisier is a double convex air bubble in water will behave as dash. Concave? Yes, is the right answer. Concave lens. Plus 10 for Team Lavoisier. Next question for Team Nikola Tesla is, if a lift is accelerated in upward direction with acceleration, what will be the change in the weight of a man? No, you have to tell it will increase or decrease. Decrease? Decrease is the absolutely wrong answer. Increase. A boy with helium balloon with him, suddenly the car accelerates in the forward direction. In which direction the balloon moves? You have to tell only the direction. Is forward or backward?
Backward.
Backward. Very good. Is the wrong answer. The correct answer is forward. Next question for Team Marie Curie is, if a stone and a feather are dropped from a small height on the moon, what will hit the surface first? Yes, audience, please don't discuss the answers. Please.
Neither.
Neither?
मतलब एक साथ करेगा.
Equal. What will hit the surface? Equal. Very good. Well done. Plus 10 for Team Marie Curie. Next question for Team Lavoisier is, what is the nature of light? Speak louder.
Transfer.
Transfer is the right answer. Plus 10 for Team Lavoisier. Next question for Team Nikola Tesla is, name the first person to measure the gravitational constant. First person to measure the gravitational constant. Yes, you can pass the question. Yes? Absolutely wrong. The right answer is Henry Cavendish. 0 for the Team Nikola Tesla. So it's all about physics now, and accordingly we have one question for our audience. Very simple question. Just raise your hand. What is diffraction? What is diffraction? Yes?
Bending of light.
Well done. Very good. Small gift. So we are moving to the next round, which is biology round. by oxidative phosphorylation.
I have to answer in one line, not the complete definition.
We don't need the exact definition, just near about you can give the answer. You want to pass the question? Okay. Let's pass the question to Team Mary Curie.
Formation of ATP by oxidation of FAD and NAD.
Very good. Right answer. Just take for Team Mary Curie. Just 5. It's a bonus point. Sorry. And again the question for Team Mary Curie is black rust of wheat is caused by dash. Team Mary Curie. Name the fungi which is responsible for black rust of wheat. I have given you one hint that it's a fungi. The species belong to fungi.
Come on, team, you have to take care of the time.
Okay, we need to pass on the question to Team Lavoisier. Yes, you can pass the question. Okay, let's pass the question to Team Nikola Tesla. Yes. There is one biology student. Kashish. Yes, Kashish. Name the fungi.
If you don't know, you can pass it.
Anyone from the audience? Or math students? Very good. Yes. Repeat. Very good. It's Pacenia graminis. Well done. Next question for Team Lavoisier is who discovered endoplasmic reticulum? Name the scientist who discovered endoplasmic reticulum.
Question for which team?
Team Lavoisier. No, wrong answer. The right answer is Porter. Let's move to the next team, which is Team Nikola Tesla. What are alleles? Define. Use mic.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं यूज नहीं
You can tell the approximate answer. Your answer is correct, actually, but the way is not right. answer. Right answer. Plus 10 for team Nikola Tesla. Next question for team Arya is, what is the other name of salivary amylase enzyme? Salivary amylase is also known as what? Pass? Okay, let's pass the question to team Mary Curie. Yes, team. What is the other name of salivary amylase? Yes, Arya, time is going on. Pass? Okay. Tyling is the right answer. Plus 5 for team Nebuchadnezzar. And the next question is for team Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, that was a bonus question. Name the excretory structure in platyhelminthes.
Flame cells.
Flame cells is the right answer. Plus 10 for team Mary. Next question for the team Lavoisier is, which phylum has water vascular system? No.
Read the question carefully.
It's water vascular system.
Not water canal system.
It's a wrong answer. The right answer is a chynodermata. 0 for the team Lavoisier. Let's move on to the next team. And the question is, which organism are known as jokers of plant kingdom? Yes, team Nikola Tesla. Mycoplasma, right answer. Plus 10 for team Nikola Tesla. And now is the turn for the lovely audience. What is the site of Krebs cycle? Yes. Mitochondria. Which membrane? It's outer, it's inner, it's matrix. Matrix is the right answer. Well done. So the scores for this round are team Arya 0, team Mary Curie 15, team Lavoisier 5, and team Nikola Tesla 20. Big round of applause for all the participants. Let's move to the next round of the quiz competition, which is
Image round. You have to see the image on the screen and then you have to answer the question.
One more thing. Whenever any team answers, they should speak on the mic. Through the mic. Because I am not able to hear what they are giving the answers.
please use mic while giving the answer. Okay? If you want to pass the question, then use mic for saying it's pass.
So team Arya, can we have a first question please? Identify the person in the image.
You have to identify the personality.
Very famous personality from India. In the nuclear field. these questions will not get passed to the next week. You have to tell the answer.
The question will not be passed.
Come on, you can answer. He is very careful person, and he is from India.
Please use mic while giving the answer.
Sorry, your time is over. He is Honorable Homi Jahangir Baba.
Homi Baba is the right answer.
And the next question is for Team Marie Curie. Identify the personality in the image.
Yes, identify.
Nikola Tesla.
No, you are wrong. He is not Nikola Tesla. He is Gregor Mendel.
It's Gregor Mendel, father of genetics. Last time we पढ़ा था.
And our next question is for Team Lavoisier. And the question is, there is a scientist doing something in the image. You have to tell who is the scientist and he is demonstrating which experiment.
He's doing what? Use mic. You can tell. It's not blurred.
मैं दिख रहा है कि देखो कोई बोला मत विजिबिलिटी क्लियर नहीं है
No, if they know the answer, they can tell easily. Yes.
Time is over. He is actually Benjamin Franklin, proving the light is a flow of electric charge. And our next question is for Team Nikola Tesla. Identify the personality.
Albert Einstein.
Right answer. Yes,
Our next question is for
Answers are already there. So please, the another question. This question should be cancelled.
they have told us
When the pictures are coming, answers are already there.
they have not used the mic but they have told the answer.
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ जब फिगर आ रहे थे आंसर पहले से स्क्रीन पे थे इसलिए आप नहीं give the another question.
no sir, sorry, we have seen.
सबके नाम आए थे बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन और फलाना सबके नाम तो
बाद
आए
में आंसर आ रहा है इमेज का आंसर आ रहा है पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर है
तो ये आंसर सही है.
Yes, sir. Right answer. Next question is for Team Arya. The picture.
Represents the phenomenon of dash.
Name the phenomena or the effect.
Beagle effect.
Very good.
Absolutely correct.
Right.
The next question for Team Marie Curie. Identify the unlabeled part.
This is the structure of ear, and you have to identify the unlabeled part. This is a tube actually. This is a tube.
Use
for team Lavoisier. Identify the process in given image.
Just tell the name of process.
You have to tell what is happening in the image.
Use mic, please. Separation is right, but what kind of separation is this?
And let's speak on the mic.
What? Use mic, please. Use mic.
Magnetic separation.
Right answer.
Magnetic separation.
Just take 14 seconds.
The next question for team Nikola Tesla is, you have to identify the structures which are seen in the image.
Identify the structure in the diagram.
These are the structures present in the ocean.
They are having massive population in the ocean. The right answer is
Coral reef.
coral reef. And next question is for our audience.
Identify the type of leaf.
Don't say it's a leaf. Type of leaf. The exact answer we require. It's a pasta, it's a leaf, please. Yes? Name of the leaf. No one? Okay, yes, participants. Anyone? Name, very good.
You do not have to tell species, you have to tell type of leaf.
Example is correct. It's a neem leaf. But name the type of the leaf. Yes? Okay, let's display the right answer.
Compound.
It's pinnately compound leaf and example is neem. So scores for this round are Team Arya 10 points, Team Marie Curie 10 points, Team Lavoisier 10 points and Nikola Tesla 10 points. Big round of applause for all of you. We are done with biology round and next round is very interesting round which is rapid fire round. So we are coming with you teams. Because it's a rapid fire round, you will be given 1 minute to answer 10 questions. You will get 10 points if the right answer is provided by you, but for wrong answer, -5. Okay? Ready? Yes, bell master, ready? Yes. If you don't know the answer, just say next. Okay? AIDS Day is celebrated on. Arya, which vitamin contain metal atom? Site for glycolysis. -5. Name the process used for neutralizing acidity of soil. Name the process used for neutralizing acidity of soil. -5. Color acquired by phenolphthalein in acidic solution. -5. Method used to concentrate bauxite ore.
take next question. Alpha particle scattering experiment given by plus 10. Time is up. Yes, team Mary, are you ready? Yes, well asked. Ready? Okay. Time starts now. Name smallest cell. Plus 10. Father of biology. Come on. Take another question. Longest part of large intestine. -5. What is slate line? Slate line.
Calcium hydroxide.
Okay, right. Plus 10. Formula of rust.
Fe2O3.10.
Plus 10. Name the scientists who prepared modern periodic table. Plus 10. What is the color of earth wire? What is the color of earth wire? Plus 10. What is the unit of wavelength? Time is up.
Scientific name of housefly. Who discovered first antibiotic? From
-5.
commercial name of anhydrous calcium sulfate. Formula of plaster of Paris. Right.
Plus 10.
Vinegar contains 50 to 20% acetic acid. Yes or no? Wrong answer. Main constituent of
-5.
LPG. Main constituent of LPG. Wrong. Which element is used to make solar cell? Right. Can a circle drawn through 3 collinear points? Yes or no?
No.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this number divisible by 3? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Time is up.
How many right answers? Please tell the student how many answers right.
Sir, at the end.
कितने right है कितने wrong है?
Sir, मुझे note कर लिया. We tell at the end. थोड़ा सी
Yes. Yes, team Nikola Tesla. Are you ready? Okay. When is diabetic day? Expand GMO. Plus 10. Which chemical is used to preserve plant and animal species? Silver salts are most sensitive to light. Yes or no? Plus 10. Most abundant non-metal in Earth's crust. Plus 10. Chlorine is most electronegative element in periodic table. Yes or no? Plus 10. Example of transverse wave. Main constituent of biogas. Plus 10. Can a triangle have two obtuse angle? No. -5. How many sides does a decahedron have? How many sides does a decahedron have? Plus 10. Well done.
So we have done with all the rounds of science quiz competition, but it's not the end. First, please have a big round of applause for such a wonderful Thank you so much, Keshav. You can take your seat. And now we do have a small, beautiful, wonderful song performance by the students of 12th class. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Harsh, Prashant. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, life to imagination, and life to everything.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे उड़ले उड़ले यो, 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 उड़ले। जानदारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। जानदारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, क्या कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, क्या कल क्या हो किसने जाना। उड़ले उड़ले यो, 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 उड़ले। हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। पीछे जाए ठिकाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। उड़ले उड़ले यो, 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 उड़ले। मौत जानी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन। मौत जानी है आएगी एक दिन, जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन। ऐसी बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। उड़ले उड़ले यो, 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 उड़ले।
Where words leave off, music begins. Truly proved by our students. Again, have a big round of applause for students of Science, Mrs. Anita Rawat. Please come on stage. So first we are going to announce the consolation prize. And the consolation prize goes to team Arya. Goes to Team Levosier. Now, the second position goes to, yes audience? Two teams are there. It's Marie Curie and Nikola Tesla. What Nikola Tesla? Second or first? Okay. Yes, below. Second position goes to Team Marie Curie.
First of all of you please make silence. A very nice initiative taken up by the Department of Science, and the first phase of the activities by the Science Department started, and that is the science quiz, inter-house science quiz. I enjoyed today's quiz a lot.
Yes, sir.
I am talking about me. And the preparation that I saw of the participants, it was, I should not say excellent, it should above average. And such activities now will be continued for the lower classes also. Means the classes 6, 7 and 8. We will again go for the same quiz, but that is for only 6, 7 and 8 students. In this quiz, the students of 9, 10, 11 and 12 participated. In the next phase, the students of class 6, 7 and 8 will participate. So congratulations to the Department of Science and very well done. Thank you very much.
Well, it's an end, but I want to say a few words about the audience. In the beginning, I said it's lovely audience, my lovely audience.